Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn another program on Python. You will find the problem statement in the description section of this video. First you try to do this solution on your own, then view the video for solution. Now let's start. This is our problem. Write a program to make a student management system, then add a new student, view the student list, search a student and remove a student. So to do this, we have taken the list as a dictionary. So we are taking a dictionary of two students. One is roll number 1 and name is ABC, and roll number 2 name is DEF. So this is our student management system. Here two students are present, 1 and 2. So first we print this list, which are the students and their name. Then another dictionary entry, D equal to roll number 3 and name equal to GHI. Then we will append a list dot append D. So in this case another student is added to this entry. So add a new student is complete here. Now we have to print this list after adding this student. Then for I in range length of this list, that means this dictionary, if list of roll number equal to 2, print a list. So if roll number equal to 2, we will print this student's detail. So here we are searching with the roll number. Now again we will search with the name. If name is ABC, then print the entity. So here we search the student in two ways, with roll number and with name. Then again we search with the length of the list. If roll number equal to 2, then delete. So here we are deleting this list and then break. So we do not loop for the whole length of the list. If we find this, then we will delete this list and then again print the list. So this is our program. Now let's run this program. So here first we have taken this list, and for I equal to I in a list, we will print the elements. So roll number equal to 1, name equal to ABC, roll number equal to 2, name DEF. This is our first print statement. Now we have appended D. Again we are printing the list. So roll number equal to 1 ABC, 2 DEF, and the new entry 3 GHI. Now we search for roll number 2 and the detail of the student. So roll number 2, details of the student is name is DEF, and again we are searching with this name entity. So with this name, when name is ABC, so name is ABC, we will find the roll number. So this is our entry for when name equal to ABC. This is the student detail, roll number 1, name ABC. Then we will delete one student. When roll equal to 2, we will delete the student detail. So in this case, after that we will print the list. So here roll number 1, name ABC, roll number 3, name GHI. So here we can see that roll number 2 is deleted after this portion. So this is our program. I think you all understand the solution. Let me know the problems you faced when you try to do this on your own. If you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel and like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.